To make the bottom bed, locate the levers on the right and left hand side of the passenger bench. Pull these levers towards you, then pull the large metal bar upward. You can now freely move the bench. Push both levers in to lock in place. Grab the loop located between the backrest and the bench and pull to flip this base until it's at a 90-degree angle. Next, pull up the metal bar located below the passenger seat belts. Pull the backrest towards you and it will drop into place. Lastly, to remake the seats, reverse this process. When putting the bench of seats back, lift before dropping into place. You should see the mechanism on the side of the seat fit back into the slot. To assemble the upper bed, you will firstly need to raise the pop-up roof. Loosen the roof by undoing the safety clip and pushing the locking mechanism upwards. Pull down slightly on the roof handle to unlatch the safety catch. Once you are ready, start to raise the roof gradually. When it is time to lower the roof, firstly you will need to lower the bed into its sleeping position. Not lowering the bed before lowering the roof will cause damage to the canvas walls. Once the bed is in position, hold both roof handles and begin lowering. Before securing the roof, make sure to check outside the vehicle that no canvas is cut. Now you can secure the roof. Latch the lock, slide the mechanism downwards and reclip the safety lock.